Monkey's Room at the fantastic picture book, Giraffes Can't Dance. So this is our friend Gerald the giraffe. They found out that actually he could dance with a bit of practice and with help from his friend. So we have made some binoculars to go exploring in the jungle on a jungle safari. And so today we've made the jungle giraffe crowns, which are on your learning pack that we've sent home. So they're pretty easy to make. So I've got a lovely friend here who's going to help me make his giraffe crown. So we start off with this is the way I did it, 2 pieces of yellow paper like this. Now that's not going to fit around anybody's head anytime soon. So what we're going to do, my friend, is join it together with some masking tape. So it might be easier, it'd be great to do this together as a project. I'm going to help my friend here and I'm going to cut the masking tape for you. If you would like to stick those 2 pieces together, yeah, sure. Yep, like that. And that's just to make a longer piece of paper. Oh my gosh, great job. Alright, now we think that will probably fit his head. So if you hold these 2 pieces together while I cut another piece of masking tape, that would be awesome. And I might just grab another bit for the other side. Alright, thank you. I'll hold it now and you can stick it together. There we go. There we go. You're right, you've got that bit of masking tape. Perfect. Right. There we are. So you just adjust it to suit your child's head, whatever fits. And masking tape is tricky. If you'd like to glue it, you can. Yep, you've done that really well. Depending on the age of the child. You could staple it, but I think gluing's probably better, or masking tape. I'm just going to put another piece there. Alright, so we've got the crown for our head. Alright, so what else does a giraffe have? What are the 2 things on top? They're called antlers. So we've got our 2 antlers here. You could make them in black if you want to. I've just got yellow. And just a sort of a circle up the top and then a fat triangle on the bottom. I just made them up myself. So would you like to stick one of your antlers on? So they go on the inside of the crown, up the front. Do you want to put it just there for me? I'll show you and you stick. A great team. Alright, let's stick this in. Like that. Easy. 1. How good's that? And there we go. And I'll hold it on for you. Hey, we're getting there already. So here's another one. Stick it in. Perfect. Oh, love it. Okay, so we've got our 2 antlers. Now we need 2 ears. So this is the shape that I've cut out. And I just cut in the middle, so it almost looks like a pair of goggles, really. I cut in the middle. Now this is a little bit of the tricky part. Just bend the flappy bit there, and we're going to stick that on as an ear. Alright, what do you think? Do you like the look of this? This is going to be yours. Do you want to stick this on for me, my friend? Thank you. Alright, stick it in there. It is like masking tape's tricky, but with patience and time and working together, it'll be a fantastic skill for your child to learn. Like I said, it depends on the age of the child. Some of the monkeys really needed a lot of help, but my friends at Kinder doesn't need as much help, do you, from me? Because you're so good at sticking things on. Because they're doing construction at the moment, so this is what they do all the time. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'll get my finger out so it doesn't stay with your crown. So already we have our 2 ears, and do you remember what they're called? Alright, the last part, which my beautiful friend can do himself, we're going to glue some orange spots onto our crown at the front. So you can have brown spots, orange spots, whatever colour you like. So you could use glue or glue stick, whatever you like. And it's really good practice for scissor cutting as well. If they want to cut, they don't need to be circles, they can be blobs, but we've done circles today. just because. So my beautiful friend is going to stick it on wherever he likes. I'm going to hold it for him. Yep, that looks amazing. So you keep working there, my friend, and I'll show you the finished product. So that's what it's going to look like. I think your child would love to make their own giraffe clown. I'm going to put it, put it on my head. So gorgeous, I think. So you can be Gerald Giraffe, you can be Geraldine Giraffe, whatever you would like to be. So we'd love to see some pictures of your crowns. So send them in to us on our Facebook page. Bye.